What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and today's video we're gonna learn how to create this nice effect of ripped paper pop-out effect on Canva, all into a simple and fast method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to our Canva, find the design into the size that you need, okay? And go to Elements on the left sidebar of menus. On describe your ideal element, you're gonna type paper hole, just like this. Go to Photos and find this photo right here, okay? Then let's adjust the photo 9 degrees. Now click on the photo, go to Edit, scroll down, and on Effects, on Shadows, we're gonna select Glow, just to make it change the effect a bit. Let me adjust the size just a little bit. Adjust the size from the top as well, like this. Now you can upload a photo of yourself, or you can go to stock photos on Canva, review the left sidebar of menus, go to Photos. I search for Yellow Jacket Man, this guy right here, looks fancy. Then I'm gonna adjust this photo as well, and I'm gonna duplicate it. Let me move the copy ahead, just like this, and into the first one I'm gonna change this layer to background. So I'm gonna click on the first photo, click with the right button of my mouse, select layer and click on send to backward, just like this. Then I'm gonna select the second image and make it go back right here to the center of the picture, just like this. And all I have to do is click on BG remover, background remover. Then select this bottom part right here and drop it like this. And here is the final result you're gonna get. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.